Okay, so look, we're about to be in the year of the horse. And with that, the horse energy brings a lot of momentum and change and swift action. But before things can speed up, we're still in this in-between period where the Lunar New Year is not for another 2 weeks. The Feng Shui New Year just happened yesterday. And we need to create something solid to stand on, to get grounded in our energy. I'm Danni Sinclair, holistic interior designer, and these small changes that you make in your home and your space can have a meaningful impact in how you stay peaceful, calm, and regulated throughout the rest of the year. So this is going to be a time where we take time to release what no longer fits and what no longer suits us. This is going to be purging and decluttering and releasing stagnant energy and clearing space. Think we're sitting in a lot of heavy, dense winter energy right now. Much of the country is in an extreme deep freeze. We are literally stuck in dense energy. We are not yet at a point where we can move into action. It is not a time of galloping forward and making swift action and change yet. But what we can do is begin to prepare our space for when the time comes very, very soon. Spring is going to be just around the corner, and that is when we're going to be bringing in new life and new energy. Fast years like the one that we're moving into don't ask us to necessarily do more. We're going to be asked to make decisions more quickly. We're going to be asked to take action more quickly. This is a period of move fast and break things. Don't think before you do. Just react and respond. And because of this, we're going to need our spaces to be secured and grounded and anchored in our energy so that when these opportunities present themselves, we'll just be ready to respond right away. Because if the ground level isn't anchored and isn't secured, then it's going to require a lot more effort and a lot more friction to do the things that we really want to do. Before moving on with the goals and intentions that you set for yourself at the beginning of the year, slow down and ask yourself, does your space, your home, your office, your environment actually support the things that you're calling in and the things that you want to do? Do you have space to even bring in these goals? Do you have space to move quickly into these intentions when that moment hits, when the momentum moves forward? And if the answer is no, if you don't have a place for them to be, this is your time to clear space. This is your time to purge, declutter, and really get grounded and create a more supportive environment. This horse energy is going to be moving really, really fast, and grounding in our energy and getting supported in our environments, in our homes, is going to be what keeps us from burning out. This season is about to bring a lot of excitement, and it's going to require a prepared, solid, grounding foundation, and that should be your home. If this resonates, I put together a holistic decluttering guide to help you clear and reset and move through the stagnant energy that might be lingering in your home. I really want to help you get grounded in your energy before things begin to pick up. See you next time.